Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Councillor, be mo na mentio ya hwe budget ni su na no.
Eja me da se me nchia o na se see obi ma belated happy birthday awan so na usuru se we ma surprise nti na aka sa no.
There be say me say kwa asem no so straight.
E ba na be surprise na na birthday surprise. De atwa mu de mu adi ko. Won say bra se o check from enhyase na enkoma ye di utie so na nimu na akotie budget nimu a no kra ne se so na ne ba wie ye no obi a atwen se ye be hu figures ewo budget no mu na ye ka se budget ni nya se bia ye be ka se we are giving uti the last 6 months no minya kwan na former minister Tepe me ye koye show bi na minya kwan na minya platform me ne nyina wo so no explain nyama bi kire yen ba me tiase de na say creative act industry no ba abeje ne budget ye de nyama bebre be shem ba bia ye nkonya specific say 2 cedi wa ha ye de koye we but within obia supply ne nyama ne sika no finance ne de be ma na kase mo se mo betima ye abcd pe nyama mo de mo na be fight yama enti me tie am say na say ebia mo panyi kan keto abi na nkanka revenue digitization no manage but minim say bragos we call Labadi Beach is it Labadi Beach sani frɛ hɔ no wa call order oh Ghana Tourism Authority for this kind
yeah
unim krono e koso ho
say
ucha ticket na omo ticket na first gate ubedu second gate no be asan agi say ye for return o sen koba the same paper no de ma o masa de ma obi no say agiska make Labadi Beach entrance on ya do 10 paper na sa ticket na na e amount no ya amount is the same thing they are rotating okay see the correct report and this am pass man penny say the dissertation bi aba as he say dey scan through means we nyina aba down they say dey ni je ba because my boss and me report here me go say Labadi boys wo mo there and I didn't understand it is am pass sika ya beji kakran because say scan 10 cedis or whatever no e be say nya bibia o but so gina na cars be say 30 betwam within a day sika ba ho and it is am pass digitization bi aba man panyi de beji sika ye da na se o but yem biem ne ko ye budget ni de nyina nim say ya ma creative act bia but if yem bisa mo say prakwesi creative act ni cry your mind mo eye anyutofo ho eye actors no ho amoni creative act aye kan e say man pagi ka so see the vibrant awa or sheda ball minister no na say so man pagi hu bibi efi new minister no dey abanimu there's a lot of expectation but the creative act people are so critical questioners come yankro yi pano me believe say it comes to a time where I feel that they are not acting like creative act people but there are times they act like politicians because nyai boy be some na some be very very critical about the creative act anka na ko man panyi beti dia koso ye power creative act industry no yeah sure see be say me say so creative they are building a curriculum for your friend day for school now musino and am be say me say brother see me the ye go school a check akra nafti eye den tete na ye wa gamma films no na eye den enti nafti na gu ana nafti no eguso koso ana we are questions abi be say o e say me be say am pass nafti koso na gamma films say say good ada ana nya secrets gamma films say good but the nafti are they for creative act or they are for what? Because I'm passing enough to here for creative act. Na nyama koso wo no is the same thing curriculum so creative develop your media. Then my question still come back to say why do we collapse the old ones we have and always want to start a new one? Is there any difference? Now me be so say Socrates what will be the entry requirement for somebody to go to the creative art school? Because Ghana Hano majority of our people who have become part of the musicians, the actors and everything, most of them are dropouts. Young kind of cray. There are people who struggle in life and go for hasa and go your way and go your way and later no or better than a musician. So you discuss kosheho near CAC dying. What is going to happen to it? Will it be an edifice that finally you the shoppers, you sankrofo ton artifact won se to river continue say creative factor ye shops wase ye na nkrofo ton kente kukuru aye to kon mu no obi aye oba bi ogina ho dua de no artifact no uko say creative adodo na te say na asset ate no ebi ni esi na me bisa because what is the entry requirement? Is it that when you finish GSS you can go there, you finish SS you can go there? What are you going to study? I was just confused. And the time I say I'm develop curriculum, because say be a Mike no man so create no. I can say you developing curriculum for ABCD because cost now on my penny canon. I think say honest can be go. So me, the creative art industry, I believe that the people who are fronting for us should really be creative art people because we know them and get out of the political court. They should get out of the political game because the politics is becoming too much for me. That is what I'm paying Eba Onye be being country because what they tell him is what he comes to tell us. So I'll hardly blame His Excellency the President for the content he comes to read. The people are not feeding him well because it's up on completion. Yes, if Omapenyi tells me that I am opening the creative art school in March 31st. What is the entry requirement? Who are those who are qualified for it? Is it different from NAFTI? Are we having people still come because because her secret saying that we are going to get quality film now to watch, we are going to get good production. So what is NAFTI doing? Are we collapsing NAFTI? There are people who have been given directorate in NAFTI. Yatiana last week, and they say film industry, I'm saying money office. Socrates, they have a big office, and so I am getting so confused that the industry is really not getting its content to the presidency because some of the people there, either they are afraid, either they are doing bootlicking, either they want to maintain a particular thing, and they are not helping the presidency. Because maybe through some of us who are not there will say things that will provoke the president to look for the truth. That's why I think they didn't have anything in the budget.
Okay, all right.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet